closer look.
During intercourse, the man ejaculates inside the female. Semen that consists of sperm from the seminiferous tubules, sugar solution from the seminal vesicle, and alkaline fluid from the prostate gland, and lubricating solution from the vulva urethra is released into the female's vagina. This combination makes semen. The lubricating fluid helps the sperm move through the vagina. The alkaline fluid buffers the acidity of the vagina. Sugar gives the sperm's mitochondria energy for the sperm movement. It takes hours to a few days for the sperm to travel to the egg, depending on the female state. The sperm fertilizes the egg and gives its DNA, forming a diploid zygote.
The one-cell zygote now cleaves into 2 cells and 4 then 8 cells by mitosis. However, the size of the zygote doesn't increase because each division creates smaller cells. A solid ball of cells is now formed called a morula. It is then a blastula that has a single layer of cells with fluid-filled cavity called a blastocele. The blastula now goes through gastrulation, where the cell is pinched inwards to form the blastopore, which in a human's case will become the anus because humans are deuterosomes. 3 layers are formed, and this stage is called the gastrula. These are the 3 germ layers, the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm.
In order for fertilization to occur, the woman must be ovulating. What this means is that the woman's egg is mature and is able to receive the sperm's genetic information. During ovulation, a part in the brain called the pituitary secretes follicle stimulation hormone, FSH for short, and luteinizing hormone, or LH. FSH stimulates the follicle to grow, in which estrogen is also released. After the mature egg is released from the ovary into the fallopian tubes, where the sperm will fertilize the egg, the leftover yellow body called the corpus luteum secretes progesterone. Both estrogen and progesterone prepare the body for conception.
During the first trimester, gender of the baby is determined and the neural tubes are formed, which will develop into the nervous system. During the second trimester, the baby's legs have grown and are longer than the arms, and now the body is also larger than the head, an indication that the baby has become proportional. A thin layer of skin is present, allowing us to see blood vessels. Finger and toenails, along with eyebrows, begin to grow. During the third trimester, the baby's head is proportional with the body. The baby's brain has the capacity to control breathing along with body temperature because during this session fat accumulates under the skin in preparation for birth. Because once the baby is born, it will need a source of energy to stay, and it will come from the fat.
The placenta is an organ that connects the developing fetus to the mother's blood supply by means of diffusion. The placenta keeps the fetus's blood separate from the mother's blood. In the placenta, oxygen and food from the bloodstream of the mother passes into the fetus's bloodstream and is carried to the fetus through the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord circulates blood through vessels. The umbilical cord consists of 1 vein and 2 arteries. The 1 vein carries oxygenated blood and nutrients from mother to fetus. The 2 arteries return deoxygenated blood and waste products.
When the fetus is ready to come out of the mother's womb, the fetus releases a hormone called human chorionic gonadotropin, telling the mother's body to begin contraction of the uterus. To continue contraction of the uterus, the mother releases a hormone called oxytocin, thereby causing a dilation of the cervix, allowing the fetus's head then body to come out. This is an example of positive feedback.
You guys done? No. You stupid fit electrician.
Okay. Ready? Alright, push.
Yo, who's with?
One, in, out. Push. 1, 2. Look, it's your baby.
You're done now.